Alright, it's time to get caught up on events here. This is from yesterday, Monday the 20th of May. It was a holiday in Canada, but we took these screenshots as we had some trades set from the Sunday, I believe. Anyway, let's see what's happening. We've got the Euro USD. We've got a couple of trades in on this one, which is sell trades. So we're hoping it's going to come back down here. It's just messing around at the white line on a downward trend. So that could potentially go up to the red trigger before it comes down. We'll see. The Australian, we have a red trigger on, and New Zealand, we also have a trigger here that caught at white. So the stop loss is above where it is right now. So we're in a couple of three negative trades by the look of it, and but we're confident it's going to come back down in our favor. So again, now we're looking at the time here. It's 10:30 p.m. in the evening, and this just runs automatically. So every time we click here once, we're looking at 5 minutes in time as the time lapse. So here we've just simply zoomed in a bit on the chart so you can see a little bit better that's what's going on, and we'll just let this chug away, and up and down and up and down and up, whoop, and there we go already. The euro over here on the left is doing some significant things here, big moves in the right direction. In fact, on the both charts that we've got trades in, that's coming up to 2:30, 2:45 a.m. in the morning. And let's just scroll through again here, zoom forward. Whoop, something happened here. So what happened? We've got the trade open, so we can see we have our 3 open trades, and this euro one here is up 177 so far, coming up to 5:15 in the morning. So I must have been up early making my coffee here. So let's see where we're at. There we go. That one's now moved into a nice positive territory, and there's our take profit. And over here, this one's beginning to move into positive territory too. Now just zoomed out so you can see where that take profit is there as well. Okay, this seems to be retracing somewhat, and you've got to be sharp on the ball sometimes if you're watching this. It's coming up to 6 a.m. in the morning, and you know, a bit of movement up and down and up and down. So let's see how this progresses here. This one's moving into positive territory, and hey presto, what do we got here? The balance going on. So we'll see what happens here. Boom, boom, boom. You can have a heart attack on some of these things here. So we've shifted over from here to the account history. So here's the 20th. This is the 21st. And that's the day that we're interested in. So during the evening, there's other triggers that have been executed. Take profits, and so on and so forth. So we've picked up 375, 418, 148, 86, and 151 so far. And we have 2 trades still open with the euro. And on the left hand side here, and I've zoomed out so we can see the entire trend, and as I say, it's messing around the white line, you know, moving up towards the red and the white. So it's coming to the end of the trend, but we can feel pretty confident it's going to come back down to this sort of level again maybe. And there's a zoom in shot, and there we go. In fact, there's the take profit. It's 342, and obviously it closed that one out because that's the last frame. So yeah, we didn't do too bad, I guess, for the day, and we'll publish all these results at some point in time. So 151 was the last one we took, plus 154. That would have been a nice little extra little trade there. Yeah, you can see that that closed out right there. Again, it's a 5-minute snapshot, so within that 5 minutes it went down far enough to close the trade out with a take profit at that level there. So all automatic. All we've got to do is set the triggers in the evenings and monitor the trades first thing in the morning, really. And again, hopefully this is giving you some insight as to the power of the SAT system.